How to make chicken satay. This is all ingredients that you will need. Full list in description. 300-gram chicken fillet. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon of pepper. Mix it together. Lovely jubbly. Once chicken look like this, it is ready. Turn up the heat. Heat your wok. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, you will want to add in your chicken. You will want to cook chicken for 4 minutes until nice and brown. Baby Chang awake all night. Mr. Chang have me do this video. I no like do these videos. I probably have to clean full kitchen afterwards too. He never clean up after himself. It's a man's world. Anyway, keep cooking chicken. Once chicken is cooked, take out and leave to side. Now we want to cook our onion and pepper. Keep cooking. Mix, mix, mix. You can buy pre-cut if you lazy. Once onion and pepper are cooked, we add in garlic, then salt and MSG. Mix it about. Let's simmer now for a little while. Next we add in chicken. Yummy. Mix them about. Next we add in our curry powder. Then satay mix. Then mix it all together like this. Then we add in our tablespoon of peanut butter. If he ever get off the spoon. Mix it together. Let it simmer now a little while. Now the next step. Add in your cornflour and water mix. Mix it all together like this. Then add some more. Keep mixing. You want more sauce, add more water. I like thick. Next, we add in a splash of soy sauce and some rice wine. Just little splashes will do. Mix it up together like this. Now we ready to serve. Lovely jubbly. I need warn you, allergic peanut. You need wear spacesuit like Mr. Chang. Mrs. Chang glad she not allergic. She love big nuts.